I used to think it was unbelievable. Every Monday would come, the lecture would get started, and I'd start thinking, is she talking about me? Did she make this lecture just for me? Because this is exactly what I needed to hear. This is exactly what lesson I needed to learn. The exact questions I need to start asking myself. But now, after many Mondays, I've realized that no, it's not made just for me, and I can count on it every Monday. I can count on every being yoga to just, I'm thinking of the words to use. It will reinvigorate you. It will empower you. It really, really will awaken your inner teacher. And I'm hooked for life. And even though now I'm miles away, I can still hop on Zoom and connect with my community. I can re-listen to the lectures at my own leisure when I'm like on a walk or doing the dishes. So it's just like an incredible resource. And I'm very grateful for being yoga and my teachers.